Hey guys, new tutorial. I am going to show you how to install a Gnome box on Ubuntu. Okay, please open terminal and copy this command. First we must update. So Gnome box, it is like a virtual box or VMware. Okay, there is problem. So paste ox and grab apt-get and let's kill this, and this is the PID of process. Okay, let's continue. So if you don't have this problem, don't follow me, and choose yes. You must only type these two commands. You will find it on the description of the video. Okay, please wait until it finishes to install. Okay, let's see it. It finished to install. And the Gnome box. Let's open. And this is the Gnome box. So create a new, insert operating system installation media or select source below. So select file and here give the image ISO. Okay, my ISO is here, Debian. Various extensions are available on your system. Check your boosting. Okay. So this is how to install Gnome box on Ubuntu. I hope that it was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.